Hello students, how are you? Okay, let's start the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases. First of all, you should know Boyle's law. What is Boyle's law? It states that at constant temperature, the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. V is inversely proportional to pressure, and it can be written as PV equal to constant, or it can be written as P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Charles law. It states that if the pressure remains constant, then the volume of a given mass of a gas increases or decreases by 1 upon 273 of its volume at 0 degree centigrade for each 1 degree centigrade rise or fall of temperature. It can be written as V1 upon T1 equal to V2 upon T2. Gale-Sachs law. What is Gale-Sachs law? It states that if the volume remains constant, then the pressure of the given mass of a gas increases or decreases by 1 upon 273 of its pressure at 0 degree centigrade for each 1 degree centigrade rise or fall of temperature. It can be written as P upon T equal to constant, or P1 upon T1 equal to P2 upon T2. Ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation? For n moles of a gas equal to PV equal to nRT, or it can be written as P1 V1 T1 equal to P2 V2 T2. For 1 mole of a gas, PV equal to RT. Universal gas constant. It signifies the work done by the gas per mole per Kelvin, and R will be equal to 8.31 joule per mole per degree Kelvin. Boltzmann constant. It is the gas constant per molecule of a gas. If n is Avogadro's number, then Ka equal to 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per molecule per Kelvin. Ideal gas. What is ideal gas? A gas which obeys gas laws strictly is an ideal or perfect gas. A gas which obeys gas laws strictly is an ideal or perfect gas. The molecules of such a gas are point size and there is no force of attraction between them. The actual real gases obey the ideal gas equation only approximately at low pressure and high temperature. Assumptions of kinetic theory of gases. What are the assumptions of kinetic theory of gases? Number one is all gases consist of molecules. The molecules are rigid, elastic, spheres identical in all respects for a given gas and different for different gases. Number two, the size of a molecule is negligible compared with the average distance between the two molecules. Third is the molecules are in a state of continuous random motion, moving in all directions with all possible velocities. Number fourth is during the random motion, the molecules collide with each other and with the walls of the vessel. Number fifth is the collisions are perfectly elastic and hence there is no force of attraction or repulsion. Number six is between two collisions, a molecule moves in a straight path with a uniform velocity. Number seventh is the collisions are almost instantaneous. Number eighth is the molecular density remains uniform throughout the gas. Pressure exerted by a gas. According to kinetic theory of gases, the pressure exerted by a gas of mass m and volume v or density rho is given by rho equal to 1 upon 3 m n v bar square. Here n is the number of molecules per unit volume and m is the mass of each molecule and v bar square is the mean square speed. Average kinetic energy of a gas. Let be the let m be the molecular mass and v be the molecular volume of a gas. Let small m be the mass of each molecule. Then number 1, mean kinetic energy per mole of a gas will be equal to E equal to 1 upon 2 capital M V bar square, or it can be written as 3 upon 2 kg NaT. Mean kinetic energy per molecule of a gas E equal to 3 upon 2 kg T. Now the Avogadro's law. What is Avogadro's law? It states that equal volume of all gases under similar conditions of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Now the Avogadro's number, it is equal to 6.0225 into 10 to the power 23 per mole. Graham's law of diffusion. It states that the rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its density, ρ1 R1 upon R2 equal to under root ρ2 upon ρ1. Dalton's law of partial pressure. It states that the total pressure exerted by a mixture of non-reacting gas occupying a given volume is equal to the sum of the partial pressures which gas would exert if it is alone occupied by the same volume at is given the temperature P equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Average speed. What is average speed? It is defined as the arithmetic mean of the speeds of molecules of a gas at a given temperature. It is defined as the arithmetic mean of the speeds of the molecules of a gas at a given temperature V bar equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus dash 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 Vn upon n. V bar will be equal to under root 8 PV upon pi m. Root mean square speed. Root mean square speed. It is defined as the square root of the mean of the square of the speeds of the individual molecules of a gas. V RMS equal to under root 3 PV upon m. Most probable speed. What is most probable speed? It is defined as the speed possessed by the maximum number of molecules in a gas sample at the given temperature. V most probable speed equal to under root 2 PV upon m. Degrees of freedom. What is degrees of freedom? The degrees of freedom of a dynamic system are defined as the total number of coordinates or independent quantities required to describe completely the position and configuration of the system. Capital N equal to number of particles in the system, K equal to number of independent relations between the particles, then the number of degrees of the freedom of the system is F equal to 2n minus K. A monoatomic molecule has 3 degrees of freedom. A diatomic gas molecule has 5 degrees of freedom. At high temperature, a diatomic molecule has 7 degrees of freedom. Law of equipartition of energy. It states that in any dynamic system is thermal equilibrium. The energy of the system is equally divided among its various degrees of freedom, and the energy associated with each degrees of the freedom is 1 upon 2 kBT, where kB is the Boltzmann constant and T is the absolute temperature of the system. Internal energies and specific heats of monoatomic, diatomic, and polyatomic gases. Internal energies and specific heats of monoatomic, diatomic, and polyatomic gases. For a gas of polyatomic molecules having F degrees of freedom, energy associated with 1 mole of a gas U equal to F upon 2 RT. Cp equal to 1 plus F upon 2. into R. For a monoatomic gas, if F is equal to 3, then U equal to 3 upon 2 RT and Cv equal to 3 upon 2 R. Cp equal to 5 upon 2 R and gamma equal to 1.66. For a diatomic gas with no vibrational mode, F equal to 5. So U equal to 5 upon 2 RT, Cp equal to 5 upon 2 R, Cv equal to 5.2 R and Cp equal to 7.2 R and gamma equal to 1.4. For a diatomic gas with vibrational mode F equal to 7, so U equal to 7 upon 2 RT, Cv equal to 7 upon 2 R and Cp equal to 9 upon 2 R and gamma equal to 1.28. For a triatomic gas of non-linear molecules F equal to 6, so U equal to 3 RT and Cv equal to 3R, Cp equal to 4R and gamma equal to 1.33. For a triatomic of linear molecules F equal to 7, then U equal to 7 upon 2 RT, Cv equal to 7 upon 2 R and Cp equal to 9 upon 2 R and gamma equal to 1.28. Mean free path. What is mean free path? It is the average distance covered by a molecule between two successive collisions. It is the average distance covered by a molecule between two successive collisions. It is given by gamma bar equal to 1 upon under root 2 n pi d square, where n is the number of density and d is the diameter of the molecule. Brownian motion. What is Brownian motion? It provides direct evidence for the existence of molecules and their motion. The zigzag motion of a gas molecule is Brownian motion because it occurs due to random collision of molecules. But this motion cannot be seen. However, the zigzag motion of the pollen grains can be seen under a microscope. I hope all of you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.